What's up, YouTube? It's Eli, and I'm coming to you guys again with another video today. Today, you guys, I'm gonna be showing you this new product, the Lay Down G. I'm gonna be showing you guys what it is, how I use it, and all that. I'm not even gonna lie, you guys. I know about the plastic bag method, but honestly, I was never really a fan of the plastic bag method. I didn't really think it worked. I picked up this product because one of my subscribers, he commented down in one of my old videos and he asked me about the plastic bag method. So I actually went online that same day. I just went on Google and typed in, Lay Down G, and it took me to the website and I bought one. So for you guys today, I'm gonna unrag. I'm gonna show you guys my waves. I'm gonna comb it out, and then I'm gonna hard, medium, soft brush it back down, and then I'm gonna use the Lay Down. Right now, you guys, I am 8 weeks wolfing, and my hair is laying down great. I'm laying my hair down with no pomade at all. All I'm using is moisturizer and oils. No pomade. I'm only using pomade to lay down my crown. Yeah, and that's it. I'm not really using no pomade in my hair. And today, you guys, I'm gonna just comb out my hair, and then I'm gonna add some oil. I'm gonna add this today, you guys, some tea tree oil. I just picked this up today at the dollar store. I think I paid like $1 something, $2. I'm gonna put that in my hair, and then I'm gonna hard brush, medium brush, soft brush, and then I'm gonna show you guys how my hair look. And then I'm gonna use the Lay Down G and show you guys how I use the Lay Down G. And then I'm gonna show you how my hair look after I use the Lay Down G. This is how my hair will look on a regular day if I was just gonna rag up right after. But now, you guys, let me show you Lay Down G. It comes with a card. They have different colors. They have green and black. They have the Lakers color, purple and yellow. They have red and black, which I got because red is my favorite color. They got blue and black, and they got purple and black. Read before use. This product is plastic. Do not pull on the plastic side. Excessive pulling will cause the plastic to tear. Care instructions: simply wipe plastic side with clean cloth or towel. Do not apply heat. Suffocation hazard warning: keep this product in all contents of package away from children and pets. This is not a toy. This is how the product looks. It's basically, you put your hand in the glove, and it's like a plastic side, and you use it to lay down your hair. It comes with two sides. I was using it for a few days. I was only using one side, but for the purpose of the video, I'm gonna use both sides. It's not rocket science. Basically, you just put your hands in it and you rub your hair down. so you know you can get your hair delayed. Alright, you guys, that is basically it. And I noticed with this product, it really does lay your hair down very good, and it adds a shine. Like, I don't know, like, it's incredible, but it adds like an amazing shine to your hair, and it's unbelievable. This product has been helping me, you know, for the past 4 or 5 days now. It's been helping me with my wolf. Man, if you guys don't have this product, you know, I suggest you get it. I'll leave this product in my description with the link so you can go cop this. It's not expensive. It's about $20, and it really does come quick, and it came in about 3-4 days. It came very quick. So lay down G, I suggest you guys get this. Good product.